Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you change phone time in Iqoo phone. Guys, you want to change your time in Iqoo phone, so guys you can change. Today I'm going to tell you about this setting in Iqoo phone. Guys, today we will talk about how to change time in Iqoo phone. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, guys, open your phone setting. And one thing, guys, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys click on system, guys click on date and time, click on time option, and guys you want to change your time, so you can change here like time is 4. So guys click on this option, guys set here like 4:27 guys PM AM. Okay, so guys now you can see, guys, my time has changed. So I hope, guys, you have understood how to change time in Iqoo phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. If you want, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.